Consistency is key. From now on, my motto is go viral or go home. I see people posting once a month. Please do yourself a favor. If you're not gonna have consistency, don't post. Close your Facebook account. Close your Instagram account. You either take it serious or don't do it. Just don't waste your time hoping that one post is gonna bring you clients, because it doesn't work like that. You wanna profit from your audience, you spoil your audience. Make them to become your fan. If you're not giving them enough information, they are just see your post one time, oh, he posted something, but there's someone else who's giving me information every day, 3 times a day, 2 times a day, and I know it's tiring, but you gotta block time one day, at least one day a week, when I'm gonna talk about what the information is gonna be about, how I'm gonna post it. Do I need someone to help me? I will strongly suggest you that you look for someone who can help you. Look professional, you provide the content, you do the videos, someone edit, make sure that everything looks clean, captions, everything. But please, you either take it serious, you post minimum 3 times a week, twice a day, or just don't post. You either close the doors of your business or you open the doors and you make sure that you have content out there.